Okay, hey guys, so this is gonna be a video on how to add music into Unity when you're making your project or whatever. So what you want to do is go to Game Objects, you want to go to Audio, Audio Source, and bring this over here. I don't think it matters where you bring it actually, but bring it here, move it a little bit, right there, and then go to Assets. Go to create photo and then just name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it music. I got I mean, and then pick a wave or WAV file. So yeah, is this one fine? Oh yeah, that one's fine. Okay, then drop it. You want to make sure it's a WAV file. So yeah, drop it into wherever you created your um file. So go to create wait, right click, go to create photo, and then name it whatever you want. I just named it music. And then, yeah, and then go to audio source, and then where it says audio resource, you want to move this to here. So move it there, and then you want to click play on the scene, and you added it. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's how to add music into Unity, your project. So yeah, oh yeah, and if you want to loop it, you can loop it right here, down here, where it says loop. You can loop it. So yeah, that would just loop everything. You don't have to do that, but you can if you want to loop it, like for your whole game or whatever you make. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and yeah, bye guys.